This is John Almada with Ghostwriter Paranormal Investigations, and I am here on day number 2 with our Geophone project. And as you can see, I've made some progress with the new case additions. What we've done is picked up some lexan, or lexan as you may say here. And this was a little bit difficult for me because I didn't have a Dremel and the edges didn't turn out quite as I had hoped. So what I'm going to be doing is, for this one, I'll be doing some cover-up work like this, and then covering this so that this first prototype I can still use that piece. Not inexpensive, but not real expensive stuff. The other thing is as you can see, I've switched to the black plastic. I found this black plastic, and I'm going to put the switch and embed it here, and cut a slot down here for the power wires to come up, and then have the switch with a recess in here, and that should do the trick. Actually, that'll sit like that, and that will basically finish it off, and what we'll have is a complete project. And I'll tell you something, this is a really interesting thing to use. It is extremely sensitive. I've got a PC running across the room, and what's neat about it is that just the fan noise alone here on top of this little twin bed is enough to set it off. So, but you can see just even a little bit of activity sets this thing off really something else. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll be doing some different work on this. I'm going to see about painting these plastic pieces here. You can get these. They're a little more expensive than the lexan, believe it or not, but it comes in 2 sheets and you can cut it pretty easy on the grid lines. So I'm going to paint it black and do that. Then for the final part with the switch and all that, I'll have the switch. Let me go ahead and put this back together. I'll have this basically laid out, and I'll do the drilling to get the screws in, have the power in, and then when it's all painted and done with, I'm going to have a logo, the GRI logo, and a title on for this, and that will finish this prototype. Then we'll move on to prototype number 2. I'll go ahead and order the necessary circuitry and everything we need, and work on number 2 and take what I've learned from this and incorporate the improvements. And we're going to do about 4 of these and take it from there. So anyway, thanks a lot. See you next time we broadcast this out, and this was a lot of fun. See you later.